Good morning. Well, I just rolled out of bed. I'm scaring myself. But I'm thinking about washing my hair this morning, and I thought, well, maybe I can just get by with one more day with some dry shampoo. And I thought, most of my clients don't know how to use dry shampoo, so I'm just going to show you a quick video on the right way to use dry shampoo. And then you can do it too. If you have colored hair like me, if you can sneak in another day without washing, it's better for your color. It doesn't fade as fast. So it's a good plan. So for dry shampoo products, we have Batiste is what I'm going to use today. This is a very popular one, and it comes in different colors. There's also Oscar Blandi. That one I'm really impressed with. That's clear, and it works really well. And Salon Grafix. That's less expensive. That's also a good one. And I think I heard some good things about Dove, so you can try that one. They're kind of fun to experiment with. So even though the directions are on the can, a lot of people don't read it and they still don't know what to do. So keep in mind that it's still shampoo. So when you shampoo with wet products and regular liquid shampoo, you moisten your hair, you run the shampoo all through your hair, and you rinse. So with a dry shampoo, you have to do a similar thing to get the same effects. You're just not going to have water. So you shake it up. There's particles in here that absorb the oil, so it's very important that you shake it. And then you part your hair and you spray in little sections. And you'll see a bit of a residue there. Sometimes you can just do your bangs, and that's fine too. So see, there it is. Now, the shampoo part. This is the part that makes it work. So the little particles are going in and absorbing the oil and dirt and grime from your hair. So you do this for a little bit of time until you don't see any more spray. And you'll feel it in your hands. You can feel, oh, okay, this is cool. It's working. All right, so now those little particles are still in your hair. Normally you'd rinse with water, but we don't have water. So your hairbrush is the rinse. So brush back. A few times. And then style. Your hair will have a lot more body too. Just do your thing. Get it all. And oh, that looks so much better. So that little greasy film that I saw earlier is gone. All right, have fun, enjoy, and hopefully you'll get another day or so out of your washing routine. You can extend it one more day.